Hi guys, it's Ed. Welcome back to Warthog Defense. Courageous soldiers in Avdiivka are standing strong against Russian attacks. Despite the Russian claims of advancing, Ukrainian forces are pushing back with determination and resilience. The reality on the ground contradicts the misleading information as Ukrainian troops bravely defend their territory. The ongoing struggle in Avdiivka showcases the unwavering spirit of Ukraine in the face of adversity.
110th Mechanized Brigade repels another mindless zombie assault in Avdiivka. Wave after wave, they're sending these groups in the hopes of establishing a foothold, but all they find is death. Drone drop on Russia BMP with personnels. Russia. People are stealing huge sections of central heating pipes in Novosibirsk at night. One group was cutting and others were removing the pipe sections.
Такой подряд. Вот, машина, которая без номеров. Супер. Вот, видишь? Да, видите? Вот. Охренеть просто.
Нашу готовую теплотрассу.
Помогает нам, потому что теплотрассы.
Не успели пропилить,
Молодцы, подряд. А там, видать, вот эти все мужики, которые не русские стоят, это они и есть сделали.
Девочки, ну здесь не пропилили, но раздербан. Ну да, они
Капец просто. Это вот вообще как так можно?
дальше будет цело.
Russian presidential candidate Boris Nadezhdin doesn't like the Anglo-Saxons.
Больше скажу. Веками англосаксы угнетали индейцев, а индейцы это наши русские. Они пришли из России туда. Спросите великого русского антрополога Дробышевского. Индейцы это мы русские. Индейцы это русские. Они из России пришли, знаете, они жили в России.
British MP and Lieutenant Colonel Army Reserve Tobias Ellwood urges the West to prepare for the obvious turmoil that is to come, kicked off by our inadequate and spineless response to Russia. This is our 1939 UN has turned into the League of Nations, and we have a peacetime defense budget.
We've been too complacent. I think I've said this many times with you. What's coming over the horizon should shock us. It should worry us, and we are not prepared. We've had a couple of decades, 3 decades or so since the Cold War. Life has gone well. It's now going to get more difficult as authoritarian states exploit our timidity, our perhaps reluctance to really put fires out. And the best example of that is a democracy on the corner of Eastern Europe that in its 3rd year is now in conflict, and we've not resolved that. So Patrick Saunders is saying, prepare for what's coming over the horizon. There is a 1939 feel to the world right now. These authoritarian states are rearming. There's a risk averseness about the West in wanting to deal with that. And institutions, global institutions such as the United Nations, aren't able to hold these errant nations to account. In fact, the UN, I'd go further, is reaching its League of Nations moment unless it's reformed. So that's where the world is heading. We need to wake up to that. There's a mindset now of this era of insecurity that we're heading towards, but we're still on a peacetime defense budget of just 2%. That does need to change. And the Red Sea is a great example that if you don't step forward, if you're not robust in dealing with those that are testing the envelope, it will be our weakness will be exploited, and it will affect our economy.
Okay.
Thank you guys for watching. We had a great video. Stay with us with more updates. Comment, like, subscribe, become a member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.